Hi, I wanted to show you about this amazing tool that we have that will allow you to embed social emotional learning into any course, any presentation, or anything that you are doing with students and or other employees. So let's get started with a quick Character Strong tutorial. Character Strong is an SEL curriculum that was chosen by a group of administrators, teachers, counselors as a platform we could use to embed SEL in our classrooms. The reason it was chosen is because it is a plug and play SEL curriculum. There is absolutely no planning that has to be done. It is based off CASEL and it aligns with the Ohio K-12 SEL standards. And Character Strong promotes high impact, low burden strategies. And then it's also adaptable. It's adaptable for the time frame you have. It's adaptable for service delivery. So whether we choose to go remotely or whether we are doing it within our face-to-face setting, then you can still use this resource. Every secondary school can access Character Strong. And you simply go to characterstrong.com on the website and you use your school login. It is not an individual login, it is a school login. So anyone in the school has the capability of using it. The username is the school name and the password is character 2021. For example, if I were at Bookdle, my username would be Bookdle CLC and my password would be character 2021. I'm going to flip over to the website and just give you a quick peek at how it's used and how user friendly it is so that you will feel comfortable using this resource. So once again, you simply go to the website and you log in characterstrong.com, and then you'll see over in this upper right-hand corner a button that says login. You click on that button and it'll take you to a place where you can put in your username, once again, your school name, and your password, character 2021. You see, I am on the Akron Early College High School website, so it's simply Akron Early College, HS, character 2021, and then I click on the login. Now, hopefully your internet speed is a little faster than mine, but it'll immediately take you to a resource page and it lets you know what the updates are coming. It gives you an opportunity to sign up to receive additional resources. So this one was allowing people to receive holiday resources with something every day. If there's upcoming webinars, it will allow you to attend those webinars. But what you are really going to be interested is on this left-hand panel. Because I am logged in as Akron Early College, you'll see High School SEL. So if I were to click on that, it allows me to choose my grade. It allows me to choose the lesson. So let's look at grade 10. And I am going to choose a lesson for society and well-being. So when I click on that lesson and wait for my internet, it will start off by giving me an at a glance. So the at a glance will let me know exactly what this lesson focuses on. It will let me know if I'm going to need to group students. It will let me know if, as an educator, they're going to look for me to share some personal information. It'll also let me know if I have reminders or if I have any modifications. Character Strong is also broken into 5 categories. So maybe I only have 5 minutes. So maybe I'm only going to start with some kind of welcoming activity. So doing that, I am just going to maybe take 5 minutes and do some relationship building. But then tomorrow I could come back and click on the next icon and get into the community activity or get into the actual lesson. So it is going to allow me to give as little or as much time in a session as I have available that day. So it might range from 5 minutes to an entire lesson, which takes probably about 30 minutes. The other thing that Character Strong will allow me to do is it has other resources. So, for example, let's say I am just looking for a relational activity. I want to do something, my class is kind of down. I want to do something to build some relationships. So, it will allow me to just choose from relationship activities. Once again, I can choose my grade level and decide what I want to do. It will allow me to choose topics. And once again, I apologize for the delay in my internet. And hopefully this will load a lot faster for you. But the connection activities, I can choose would you rather. I could choose 4 corners. And 4 corners is just going to be pictures where my students can choose which picture they want to talk about. Real low risk activities that just allow students to engage with each other. Take your time and go through these resources, including a character gem that will allow you to focus on a particular thing. For example, maybe I noticed that my students are really stressed out and I want to do some special activities on stress. It'll give me some of those. There's a video library where I can choose just different topics and go into a different topic and have a starter video. But this is a wonderful resource. In the video library, there's filters, so I can choose what type of activity I would like to do and how long I want that activity. So let's say I am looking at a video on diversity. I want to do something with diversity, and I am looking for something for 9th or 10th grade, and I want something that is only going to take 1 to 5 minutes. So over the side, it'll give me a menu of diversity or videos about diversity that I can use as starters or however I would like to in my classroom. So as you see, Character Strong is a very easy, user-friendly activity that you have access to. Take a few minutes, get in there and explore. You have access, and we have gotten great responses from our students and teachers alike. If you need additional help, please feel free to contact me, Yvonne Culver at yculver@apslearns.org, or contact your building counselors who have some experience using Character Strong.